Package came in today, all the way from the Middle East, from the good people over there at Primera Perfumes. They sent me a second package, and it's 2 of them. It's a double decker, bro. Stay right there to find out what's in these boxes. Should be a good one. Broome, back to doing another video. Broome. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Sam Broome back again with another video. As I said in the intro, got a box, 2 boxes that is, from the good people over at Primera Perfumes. All right, Primera Perfumes, and they blessed me. They blessed me. Now, before we get into this though, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell everybody about the video, share the video. Now, we about to get into these right now. So here's a box here, nice black, flat, matte black finish. Here's the box, Ibiza Nights on the front, Primera Perfumes on the sides. You got the Polo on the back side of it, and at the bottom you got the ingredients and where it's made from at the bottom here. Got it. It also has got their website at the bottom as well. I know it's not gonna focus in all the way on it, but you got the website at the bottom. And all these boxes gonna be pretty much the same. Let's open this up. All right. Oh yeah, definitely. Okay. Same pouches that they normally give you with their perfumes. There, you got the pouch there. It's like a velvet feel to it, or some type of velvet. All right. So Ibiza Nights. Put the box to the side on the floor. Ibiza Nights, and there you go. You got the notes up top there. You got the top, mid, and base notes there. So let's see what the notes are. Bergamot, ginger, black fig, pineapple, apple. Middle notes, tuberose, birch. Stop right there. Now on top of that, you add birch. I'm automatically thinking sort of that wheelhouse of Aventus. Jasmine, patchouli, juniper berry, and then the base you got ambergris, oak moss, musk, vanilla, and sandalwood. Those are the notes for Ibiza Night. And let's spray this. All right, here's a bag again with the perfume inside, and there's the bottle there. Again, the normal matte black finish to the bottles. All right, let's go into the spray. All right, let's get it in the air. Definitely smell the pineapple and the birch. I definitely smell it right away. Oh God, here we go. Now it might develop different, and it's on card, so it might develop a little bit different on the skin, which I will be putting it on too. But right now I'm getting that birch. I'm getting the birch. I'm getting that pineapple. I'm getting the apple at the top. I'm getting that sparkly or that juniper berry type of feel to it, and ginger. Oh yeah, I like this. Let's see. Get this on the back of the hand right there. See, it's a little different on the skin. So after rip, I'm getting the ginger, the bergamot, a little bit of sweetness from the apple, or maybe the apple or the grape or the pineapple. A little smokiness from the birch. Some floral notes. I know it has jasmine. jeez. Little musky, little sweetness again. Maybe I know the base has like vanilla. It's definitely settling down. All right, so I'm getting this patchouli, earthiness, woodsy notes, that playfulness, that playfulness of the of like that pineapple. That's gone. That's gone. What I'm now left with is more or less like the jasmine, the patchouli, little birch. I'm getting that oak moss and moss, that feel, but a slight sweetness from the vanilla. I would say at the early stages, it had that vintage feel, but it quickly went down, and it's okay. I don't like this over Prestige. Yeah, I don't like this over like Prestige or Elegance. I would say it's probably more versatile though than those two. I'm gonna have to go back to this. I'm gonna have to give this a full wearing and see. Cause like I said, that apple and pineapple pretty much like went away ASAP. I'm still getting like bergamot and like ginger, but I'm not getting any pineapple or apple now within a couple minutes in. All right, let me move on. Rivoli. All right, I'm sorry if you hear that. That's my son upstairs laughing. And here's the bottle here. This bottle is a clear bottle. I like that. All right, I like that. This is Rivoli. All right, here's the card. And again, I probably chopped up the name, but Rivoli or something like that. All right, let's go to the notes. At the top, we got bergamot, grapefruit, blackcurrant, pear, green mandarin zest, citrus fruits. I can't say fruit right. Middle notes, we got pink pepper, rose, jasmine, orange blossom, coffee, benzoin. And in the base, we have ambergris, going with that ambergris theme again. Patchouli, cedar, white musk, woods accord, frankincense, and white oud. Let's get this in the air. Ooh, that smells good. That smells really good. Really strong. Oh yeah, let me get this on the skin. Okay. Definitely getting that grapefruit and that bergamot. You're getting that automatically. That's at the top. The black currant. It's zesty. Very zesty. A little spicy. Little spices. Probably coming from that pepper note that is inside. I definitely smell a benzoin too, because there's a little sweetness involved in this. It's floral. And it's got a light woody note on the back end. This is nice. I like this one. I definitely like this one over Ibiza Nights, or I don't know how to say that name. Yeah, this is nice though. This one is nice. This is sweet. This is dope right here. All right, this is dope. Yeah, this is nice. Ibiza Nights. It's not holding the weight to this one right here right now. I'm sorry. I like this one. I like this one more. It's got a sweetness to it. It's got a floral note to it. This is definitely unisex. This is definitely unisex. Because I'm getting that white, the florals, the orange blossoms, the rose. I'm getting all that. It's a soft rose too. Yeah, this is good. Man, I want to thank the good people over there at Primera Perfumes, man. Some dope people over there, man. Really generous. Really generous. All right. Lastly, English Blazer. Again, same box. Turn that thing around. Nothing different. Ingredients, website, and all that on the back side. Got it? Again, same box. Same pouch. And you got that matte black finished bottle there. All right, let's go. Put that over here. All right, there's the bottle there. English Blazer. I almost said English Laundry. Much better quality. Trust me, it's much better quality here. There you go. All right, let's see what this has. Let's get the card. Top notes: apple, raspberry, saffron, thyme, lavender, cardamom. Middle notes: jasmine, frankincense, rose, and cedarwood. Base notes: amber, woods, leather, black suede is what is in parentheses, musk, and patchouli. There you go, right there. All right, there's that. Spray this card. Ooh, I like that one too. Damn. I like that one too. This is a man scent, bro. This is a man scent right here. This is up my alley. See, I love stuff like this because, again, I always say this, but your work determines what you're going to wear throughout the day. That's what's going to determine how you wear your fragrance or what fragrance you do wear. Again, I work around some harsh individuals, and this would be dope. All right, so if I had to rate them, it would go probably Rivoli number 1. Number 2 would probably be this English. Well, let me not say that until I actually get it on the skin. I'm about to put it on the skin right now. Then we'll rate them. All right. I almost was premature. I was premature on it. Let's go. Oh yeah. Ah man. Okay. So that apple and that raspberry getting some sweetness at the top, like berries. This is nice. Yeah, I like this. I like this. Oh yeah, okay. Let this settle in again. All right, so I'm getting a leather note, but on top I'm getting berries. I'm getting berries at the top. That rose is peeking its head out there, but you're getting that leather note is there. Like, it almost seems like the leather note is at the top of the fragrance. Yeah. The lavender is there as well. I'm getting the lavender as well, so jeez. I'm not picking up. As soon as I said that and I pulled my hand away, I can smell the frankincense. But it's musky, it's leathery, it's fruity at the top, sweet. I like this. All right. Okay, so if I have to rate it, I'm going with and it's tough. It's tough. So if I had to rate it as far as work is concerned, it would go English Blazer all the way. It would go English Blazer all the way. And then maybe Ibiza Nights, and then Rivoli or One or the other. If I'm just rating it out or what I like right now, out of the 3, how I would rate them, it will go English Laundry, Rivoli, and then Ibiza Night. It will go Ibiza Night. So if I had to rate these, it would go off what I like out of the 3 right away, without weighing it to work. It would be English Blazer, Rivoli, and then Ibiza Nights is how I would rate them. That's how I like them. 1, 2, and then this will be the 3rd, because again, it has some notes that's in Aventus. So I really want to give this one another shot, but I want to wear it. So I'll probably wear this one tomorrow at work first, just so I can see how it wears throughout the day, and then come back to this. But again, my rating system will rate just like this. Just like this. 1 being here, 2 being here, and 3 being here. That's how I will rate them. In this order, exactly. From my right to the left. Listen, this has been my first impressions on the 3 new fragrances I got from Primera Perfumes. You got much love and respect from me. All right, I do appreciate everything that you're doing for me, helping me, and not forgetting me. I can text you guys at any time or DM you through Instagram, and you guys are on it like this. So I want to thank you guys for, again, looking out for me, sending me these fragrances to share with my viewers. All right, it's your boy Sam Broome signing off. Peace. Back to doing another video.